Maddie back at it again with another YouTube video, of course. Oh yeah, and I have a broken finger, so that's great.
When the mama sang us to sleep, but now what's to stop?
Welcome back, guys. If you didn't know, which you probably don't, because you probably don't care, but my birthday is coming up. Since my birthday is coming up, I decided to make some cupcakes. Because why not? So let's get started. Wait. I can't do it like this. That's better. What the heck is that face? So it says, do you want to do whole egg recipe? So it's gonna sit. It says a half cup of oil. And by the way, guys, it's really hard to open with my finger.
A half a cup?
Oh! I accidentally one half. Oh my god.
Babe, that's what you need.
Oh god, let's go down the side. Oh no! One cup of water. I have a test tomorrow and I'm gonna fail it. Now, 3 eggs.
Don't put the shells in it.
I think I know what I'm doing. My mom tells me not to hit it against the oven. Hi. Actually, no, I didn't, because I got it.
Hit it again.
Oh god! Ugh, it's like mucus. Now, I'm gonna use this fancy whisk. You may be wondering, Maddie, why don't you use this thingy-mabobber? It's because I don't want to. I want to use this because I like this one better. So let's stir it up. I think I'm supposed to put this in there with it.
You think? Having issues?
And I'm not. It's a tough bag to open.
You need help?
No, I don't. It's just, I'll get it. God. Got it. Stop. It's supposed to look like I got it. Oh, God. Oh, I got it.
About time.
Ready? Now we're mixing it. I'm gonna ask my lovely assistant to come and help me. Here, fine sir. Put these in the thing.
How many cupcakes does this make?
I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh!
These cupcake holders ain't staying down in there. Figure it out.
Maybe it's the user. I am the one that I want the one. You're ruining my cupcake holders that I bought for 98 cents.
No. Just ain't staying down in there.
I would just pour it in there. Like this in the big bowl.
No, you take a spoon.
Oh. I knew that. I feel like there's an easier way to do this. You think that's better enough? Mm-hmm. Hurry! Oh. Alright, this isn't working. Fudge duxicle! Babe, I messed up, help! Alright guys, I'm gonna put these in the oven. Ooh, don't tell my mom. Now, just so you guys know, I did wash my hands. Yes, that's how I say it. Don't judge me. I'm not an idiot. You can eat these. They're called sugar pearls. Delish. So these are my options. This one is Halloween. But honestly, why am I going to use Halloween? That's out of the subject. There's this one, but all it literally has is sea breeze, green sugar, and then like midnight black sugar. I don't want that. Then green crystals for dessert, not dessert. Wow. There's not enough for this to go around. Actually, I like this though. And then there's little yellow sprinkles. These are stars. And then these are just little sugar. It's not that much though. A lot of green. And more black. I could put baby shower stuff on it. I don't care what anybody says. I look fabulous. This could be like oh, don't look. It's embarrassing. So let's see how they're coming along. Oh! Oh! I did a fantastic job. Timer's on! Oh my god. Okay, no, I gotta add 5 more minutes. Alright, I'm gonna use this one. If you don't know what this is, you'll figure it out. Okay. Then I need one of these. Okay. I'm gonna put this society thingy at the bottom. I'm gonna take it down as far as I can take it, and now I'm gonna push this out. See? Okay, and then it's this. Then I put the icing in this big hole, and then I go squirt, 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 squirt. The timer's done.
Just in case it does get bad. Kelly said you could.
This will do for a little bit. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's supposed to go down, but it's not. Let's start with this one. Let's start with over here. That was great. Then, oh my god, my hands look so bad. Then it's easier for me to squeeze.
2,000 years later.
I'm done. Ah. Oh my god. I gotta go back and refill some of them. Hey guys, here is the finishing cupcakes, and they look pretty terrible. Like certain ones, like this one, this one, this one, all around here in this general area. It's pretty impressive because I made them, you know. That takes time and effort. Actually, it took me a whole hour. I'm gonna put these sprinkles on it. Hopefully it doesn't come out fast. So here are my finishing touch. I really hope you guys enjoyed my YouTube video. If you did, make a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up because I spent an hour making these cupcakes and it was atrocious, especially towards the end when it got down to the icing part. It was terrible. It was all on my arms, under my fingernails. It's terrible. But anyway, I hope they liked the cupcakes, and yeah. Happy birthday to me. I'll be turning 18 on November 18th of 2018. It's my golden birthday. Yeah. Alright, well that's it for this week's YouTube video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to also follow all my social media. Well, that's it. Bye! So how did you like my cupcakes?
These cupcakes were like really good. Like I really enjoyed these a lot, especially the icing. Like, did you make that yourself?
No.
You didn't? I can't tell. It's so good.
Thank you. So how do you like the cupcakes?
They are very delicious.
Where's the icing?
Huh? I like the icing.
You ate it? All of it? Oh, okay. So Faith, how do you like my cupcakes?
These are the worst cupcakes I've ever tasted.
How did you like my cupcakes, Mario?
They were amazing. I love them so much. Someone didn't finish those, and I just decided to eat it on my own. They were so good. I just couldn't wait to eat another.
Thank you.